In this video, I will demonstrate the operation of the Rotex punch to make the oval cutout in your doubler. First, I'll explain the Rotex punch. There's a lower die section which you can release with a lower handle here and rotate it with letters which correspond to the punch side of the mechanism. I can release with the upper handle here and rotate it around. And if I rotate it to a Q up top, I want to make sure that I have it rotated to a Q on the bottom. And then if you solidly locks into place the top and the bottom. And I always want to make sure I do a dry run, bringing the handle down slowly, ensuring that the punch fits into the die without any force, just a smooth fit. Much the same action as a chassis punch. I've got some pilot holes drilled into the doubler, which I can use to locate the center of the cutout, and I'm going to match it up with the little tip which is sticking down on the punch itself. I've got the 1 3/4 inch size selected here, which is the Q size, and by lifting up on my sheet I can feel it when the tip falls into that little hole that I have pre-drilled. Bring the handle down, removes the material. I have a special tool here that I've designed to support the material. When you raise the handle back up, it'll want to raise the material with it and may cause some distortion. So if you use this little tool, it prevents that from happening. See, I've got a nice little hole there. You can see the other number 40 hole still there, and I'm going to bring the punch down and punch the other side. I've created a figure 8 style hole, and now I can use the Rotex punch just like a nibbler to remove the material right up to the line, all the way around, pulling the punch down through the die, right on the line, guiding it around, rotate it around, working my line all the way around like a nibbler. And as you can see here, I've removed the material in a beautiful oval section, leaving very little filing left for the cleanup of the hole, and smooth it out with a file and Scotch-Brite to polish the edge, and that's it. That's all there is to using the Rotex punch to make a hole in your doubler.